All right, boys and girls, welcome to another week. Today is Monday, June the 8th, 2020, and this is for our reading. You're going to learn how to be fluent with your reading. So you're going to start from here. You're going to say, I want to, I want to make, I want to make I want to make a cake. I want to make a cake for. I want to make a cake for my sister. Now we see a picture of a cake, a ready-made cake, and this is the cake you want to make for your sister. So the direction says you're going to read the text, highlight for, F-O-R, and copy the sentence 2 times. So you're going to highlight the word for. That will be our sight word for the week. And I see 2 fours, 4 here and here. And then you're going to write the complete sentence on the strip. And the sentence will be, I want to make a cake for my sister. If there's no space, it's okay to come outside the box and put a period. You write the sentences 2 times and then you answer the question. It says, I want to make a blank. A cake, B, cookies, or C, bread. So from the story, what were you trying to make? I want to make a blank. Circle the right answer and cross out the rest. On the second one, it says, the cake is for my blank. Were you making the cake for your mom, dad, or sister? So remember from the story, who were you making the cake for? Was it for your mom, your dad, or your sister? You circle the right one and you cross out the wrong one. That's all for this page. All right, boys and girls, for language arts, we are going to be doing a sentence match. Now you're going to draw a line to match the sentence to the correct pictures. We have sentences on the side and we have pictures on the side. Now I'm going to read the first one. It says, stop. Do not fish in the tank. Now we need to look at a picture that looks like somebody is trying to fish in a tank. Does it look like this boy is fishing in a tank? No. This girl? No. This boy? No. This boy? Yes, because I see him trying to get a fish in the tank with his hook right here. All right, so I'm going to match the sentence down to the picture. I'm going to connect this dot, which has the sentence, to this other one that has the picture. Now I'm going to read the next one and I'll try to help you realize what is what. Now, Jack is in the bed. Does this look like this is Jack in the bed? No. Does this look like this is Jack in the bed? No. Does this look like this is Jack in the bed? Yes. So you're going to connect the dots that says Jack is in the bed to the picture that looks like Jack in the bed. Now the next one says the boy opens the box. Now what picture shows that a boy is trying to open a box? Is it this picture? Yeah. I see him trying to open a box. So I'm going to connect this sentence right to this picture. Now the next one says she cuts the paper. Now who's trying to cut the paper? It says she. That means that is a girl trying to cut the paper. So you're going to connect this sentence dot to the picture dot. And that is what you need to do for your language arts. All right, boys and girls, for math, we are going to be adding. So we have the numbers here. It says 2 plus 3, and you put the answer in the raindrops. This is the cloud showing the addition. Okay, so you can do it whichever way you can do it. You can use your fingers. You can make lines. I'm going to help you with the first one. I'm going to count 2, 1, 2. And then the next one says 3. I'm going to make 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to count it together. Now let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 3 will give you 5. And then you make 5 lines to make sure it is correct. Now the next one is 5 plus 4, 6 plus 5, and 3 plus 5. Make lines and put the answer in the raindrops. All right, boys and girls, for science, it's going to be about fruit tasting. Fruit tasting. Here's going to test your sense of taste. You're going to draw a stick. You're going to draw or stick a happy face beneath the foods you liked. Or you're going to draw a stick or a sad face beneath the foods you disliked. So since you're at home, you may not have the sticker that has the happy face or the sad face. So all you need to do is to draw a happy face or a sad face. There is no sticker for your happy face or your sad face. So you can draw the happy face and the sad face. Now, most of you must have tasted some of these fruits and some of you have not. So if you have, you can try to remember what taste it gave you and put a happy face or a sad face to express how it tasted. But if you are yet to taste it and your mom and dad can quickly get the fruits for you, that's fine. So when you taste it, or if you have tasted it, you're going to put a happy face or a sad face. Now for the apple, when I taste the apple, it gives me a happy face. It's a really nice fruit. The watermelon, I don't know what it gives you. It could give you a happy face or a sad face. A banana, happy face or sad face. Grapes, happy face or sad face. Lemon, it's gonna give me a sad face. I don't like the taste of lemon. Now orange, happy face or sad face. Pineapple, happy face or sad face. The pear, happy face or sad face. The peach, happy face or sad face. The plum, happy face or sad face. Kiwi, happy face or sad face. Strawberry, happy face or sad face. Now that's what you need to do on this page. All right, boys and girls, for social studies, we are going to be identifying our needs and wants. Now, most of us need things to survive every day, and wants are luxuries of life. Now, needs are something you cannot do without because everybody needs to survive. Like food, you need to take food every day in order for you to survive. Water, you need to drink water. You need air, you need shelter to stay safe. Now, I'm going to tell you which ones are needs or wants. This is just for you to identify what are needs and what are wants. Now, food, like we already discussed, food is a need. Water is a need. Toys. Toys, toys, toys. Would that be a need or a want? I think that would be a want. Now, I'm going to quickly write my N for the need, N for the need, and W for the wants. Okay, toy is a want. Now candy, everybody loves candy, but can candy be a need or a want? I'm thinking, is it gonna be a need? No, you don't need candy to survive every day. You can do without taking candy in a day, in a week, in a month, in a year. Candy does not make you to survive. Now I'm going to put my want, which is letter W. The blanket, yes, because when you're feeling cold, you need to keep yourself warm in order for you to stay safe. If you're in a cold area, if it's cold and you don't use a blanket, you might freeze and you might get sick. So I'm going to write need for blanket. Now the bike, I'm going to say that is a want, but you can also say is a need because the bike will have to transport you from one place to another. But for this purpose, I'm going to say it is a want. Now, shelter, like we already discussed, everybody needs to be in a house. Without the house, we may not be able to survive because nobody wants to stay in the sun, in the rain, in the wind. You just have to stay somewhere that can keep you safe, warm, and the shelter will be a need. Now, the television, I know most of you love the television. I'm going to say that is a want because you don't need TV to survive. Dessert, you do not need it to survive. Clothes, yes, that is a need. Phone, well, for communication, but before we had phones, we had so many ways of communicating with one another. So I'm going to say that is a want. And Jesus, well, it could be a want or a need. But I am going to stick with my need because everybody needs Jesus every day.